snow has started just before 1:30, starting to stick to a lot of the grass and the white surfaces out here. So again, not too crazy. Temperatures right now warmer than the last storm. So we're now talking about temperatures actually right about freezing here. So we can just get this. This will be heavy and wet. So that's going to be a concern, as we can potentially watch these things stick. So be concerned out here. All right, just a little after 5 p.m. and things are starting to heat up, but not really. Everything's a little bit, bland, barely sticking on the grass, even though it's been snowing like most of the time. It'll pick up, it'll get colder. There are some heavier snows to the south, so we'll keep checking that out. We have about a ½ inch on the ground. This is about just before 8 o'clock, and the heavy stuff has really started to come down now. And what you're seeing, and we're gonna try a little bit, is a snowboard. Not really a snowboard, and it may not be perfect, but we just flipped this mat over just moments ago, and you can see it's already starting to accumulate a little bit. And I don't know about this because this will still melt, but we'll see. We're gonna come back out probably around 10, so this will be about 2 hours. We're gonna see what has happened. So visibility kind of low. We'll go up to the street and we'll see. About a ½ inch. It started sticking probably between 6 and now about 8. Okay, we're dropping. It's not crazy bad visibility, but it's not crazy good. So this is just before 8. All right, it's just about 10:30, so in 2.5 hours, we have gotten, if we read this correctly, can't really see. This isn't the best. Upwards of about 3 inches. So coming down just over 1 inch an hour. It's 2.5 hours. So a good solid snow, but it's sticking to a lot of places. Yeah, really rough. And we should be entering a heavy band, though a heavy band may be ending, and that's going to be interesting to see. So, this back. So that's what some of the models are saying now. It's going to end, then not pick back up till tomorrow morning. So, and that's when the wind's going to happen, and it's going to get really bad. So we're going to try to get to bed a little earlier, see if we can get some sleep in, and let's check the visibilities really quickly. But yeah, so about 3 inches, though I feel like there's more. I could be wrong, but that's what we're seeing in the other reports. So about 3, maybe 3.5. Really bad out here. Whoa. This is the peak. We're in a heavy band. It has dried out, which is good. snowfall totals will be. The heaviest, and right now we're seeing 10 to 20 inches across Connecticut, 52 feet in spots. Best chance for that likely to be southeast of Hartford. North of Hartford, it may be tough to get much more than a foot or so as we're on the lower end of the range. But 32 in Rhode, that's getting towards that danger zone where the snow can get a little better and heavier. 30 in Danielson, 29 in Willimantic, 27 in Waterbury, 28 currently in New Haven. And all snow events here in Connecticut, we're not talking about sleet or rain, but we may see some thunder snow later this morning. That's some reports of some lightning and thunder off east of us out in Rhode Island, Massachusetts. So we'll see what happens as the storm continues to strengthen. Bob, we're looking at the heaviest snow to the north.
Dear all-wheel drive, let's show the road what we've got. Snowy streets, we're coming for you. Icy grip, we're holding tight.
We're out here briefly in a little bit of a lull. Not the worst, but we're in a lull. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah. You can see that heavy band of snow that came through earlier and it's kind of died out. We're kind of in between, but look at Southeastern Connecticut right now. Things are really getting wild, and especially in Rhode Island with that heavy band of like purple, especially along I-95. 3-4 inches an hour are possible in that, likely going on. Whoa. 9:30. About 15-16 inches of snow. We're gonna put in 15. Storm is mostly done now. Just a few bands coming through. Don't know when we're gonna go out and measure because we're watching a drive in the heaviest band in Massachusetts, in Rhode Island. Storm is done. We're gonna put in about 16 inches because I think it has settled from morning's measurements with additional. So I think that's a fair number, kind of what I said. But yeah, well, but it looks like a historic blizzard out here. There was so much trudging through the house, just to the backyard. So we're gonna have to clean it all up. So